How to get Totem of Undying in Minecraft. So first, you just simply need to locate a pillager outpost. Now just find the pillager with the banner on its head, which is this one, and you will need to kill that pillager right here. So once it's killed, it will drop an ominous bottle right there. And what you will need to do now is go to a village. Once you're on the village, just simply drink the ominous bottle to start a raid. So just go down to the village and wait for it to start a raid right here. So now, as you can see, the raid will now begin. And what you will need to do is reach wave 5 to get, or just wait for till you get the wave 5. So just simply do the raid. So as you can see, I now have the totem right here after, so this is the 5th wave. And I now have the totem after all those waves. So I have the Totem of Undying. Next method is going to a woodland mansion and finding this dude right here. And if you kill him, as you can see, it drops a Totem of Undying. So this was the one. So you just need to wait for them to spawn, and now you'll have the Totem of Undying. So you will need to find this dude and kill him to get the Totem of Undying, just like that. So not the ordinary. So this is the Vindicator and this is the Evoker. So if you kill this one, it will not drop the totem. But if you kill the Evoker right here, it will drop the Totem of Undying, just like that. And that's how you get the Totem of Undying in Minecraft.